This is where it gets really gross. We're at the chicken vats. These are big ass vats of chicken. And people pick through. They are refrigerated. And there's no flies. So it's actually pretty damn good, but people just... These guys have like some gloves on. That's really rare. Nobody usually wears gloves. They just pick through this stuff. Okay. Beef. Okay. That's the A. I sure as hell don't want the B or the C. Or the slice. Please use glove. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Okay. I don't know what the awful is, but I'm sure it's pretty awful. Okay. We got distracted at the beef lip. There was a lady there. I didn't want to be looking at the beef lips while she was wanting to choose them. Okay, and there's more. That's pork over there. Yeah, this is the gross aisle right here. That's the worst of the worst, in my opinion. Okay. The old chicken blood section. Oh, on sale. 7 baht a kilo for chicken blood. Hell of a deal. Hell of a deal, darling. Only 7 baht a kilo for chicken blood. Hell of a deal. If you're into it. Alright, that's about all I can handle from the chicken section and body part section of the Makro. Please subscribe if you want to see more of this. I don't know why you would want to, but